The East faces the West in today's matchup. Seaview Primary from St. Elizabeth goes up against Howard Cooke Primary from St. James.
So let's jump right in. In Section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Howard Cooke Primary won. They decided that they will go first. So Howard Cooke Primary with 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Which woman led Israel into singing and dancing after they crossed the Red Sea?
Miriam.
Correct. Seaview Primary Bible knowledge. Which man washed his hands to indicate that he had nothing to do with the crucifixion of Jesus?
Paul.
Incorrect. Pontius Pilate. Howard Cooke, science. Where in the throat are the vocal cords found?
The voice box.
Correct. Science U Seaview Primary. In which part of the body are vibrations changed to nerve messages?
Ear.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, Howard Cooke. Which Jamaican food is known as stamp and go?
Pimento.
Incorrect. Saltfish fritters. Jamaican affairs to you, Seaview Primary. Which Jamaican food is known as pone?
Pudding.
Correct. English language. Form an adjective from the word hero for Howard Cooke.
Heroic.
Correct. English language Seaview Primary. Form an adjective from the word talk.
Talkative. Talkative.
Correct. Howard Cooke Primary television. In the Disney movie Frozen, what was the name of the snowman?
Olaf.
Correct. Seaview Primary television. In the Disney movie Frozen, what was the name of the two sisters? Or what were the names of the two sisters?
Elsa and Anna.
Correct. Howard Cooke Primary general knowledge. What is the skin of a banana called?
Peel.
Correct. Seaview Primary general knowledge. What is the middle part of an apple called?
Core. Core.
Correct. Howard Cooke social studies. What term is used to describe solid, non-living materials found in the earth?
Mantle.
Incorrect. Rocks. Social studies to UCV Primary. Basalt and pumice are examples of which type of rocks?
Sedimentary.
Incorrect. Igneous rocks. Music to you, Howard Cooke. What is another name for a quaver?
Crotchet.
Incorrect. Eighth note. Music to UCV Primary. What is another name for a minim?
Quaver.
Incorrect. Half note. Howard Cooke Primary Mathematics. What is the sum of 86.056 and 33.4?
$119.456.
Correct. Mathematics to UCV Primary. What is the sum of 73.069 and 35.5?
$108.569.
Correct. Sports to you, Howard Cooke Primary. With which sport would you associate the name Gareth Bale?
Soccer.
Correct. Sports to you, CV Primary. With which sport would you associate the name MS Dhoni?
Boxing.
Incorrect. Cricket. Howard Cooke Primary Jamaican affairs. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Anolaka tongue.
Meko no talk.
Correct. Jamaican affairs to you, CV Primary. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Nadash where you tick.
Before you cross the river.
Judges? Correct. Science, Howard Cooke. To which of the following groups do salamanders belong? Is it reptiles, mammals, or amphibians?
Amphibians.
Correct. In Science CUCV Primary. To which of the following groups do bats belong? Is it mammals, amphibians, or reptiles?
Mammals. Mammals.
Correct. And that is the end of Section 1.
During round 1, both Howard Cooke Primary and Seaview Primary attempted 12 questions. points at the end of round 1 are Howard Cooke Primary on 9 points and Seaview Primary on 8 points.
Stay with us. This Quest for Quiz match continues after these messages.